Hello everyone, welcome to day 60 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet these 3D butterfly stitches. This is very similar to the 3D heart stitch, or we had done a lot of other 3D stitches if you go check out the playlist. So this stitch, it calls for a foundation row of a multiple of 22 plus 13. What that necessarily means is between these two stitches there are 21 stitches in between these two butterfly stitches. If you want it closer or farther away, you can adjust the foundation's chain depending on that. So the first 4 rows are simple double crochet and single crochet rows. So I've started the stitch with a row of foundation double crochets, and then I've done 2 rows of single crochet, then again a row of double crochet. At the end of this row, I've changed the color for the wings of the butterfly. I'm choosing the pink color. Okay, now we are going to crochet 1 single crochet into each of the next 5 stitches. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so then we are going to start off by making the butterfly wings. We are going to do 4 butterfly wings, and the first 2 wings, that is we are starting off with the bigger one right here, this one and this one, we are going to be crocheting onto the back loop. So this is my back loop. I'm going to start off by making a slip stitch here. Now I'm going to chain 7 and work a triple crochet. So the butterfly wings, it can be of any number of stitches that you want, or you can make if you want a smaller butterfly, you can just make it with double crochet and half double crochet stitches. That totally depends on how you want the butterflies to be. And if you're going for a smaller butterfly, you need not crochet 4 rows right here. You can just complete it within 2 rows. Okay, so the concept is we are making all 4 stitches, all 4 wings into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Yeah. So I'm going to make 5 chains, slip stitch into the same loop. Now we are going to make the smaller wing by crocheting 5 chains, and this time I'm going to make 2 triple crochets. Okay, that's 1 triple crochet, 2 triple crochet and 1 double crochet. Okay, you can see that the wings are smaller here than this one, and a chain 3 because I want to maintain the same height as the double crochet to end the wing here. Done. Now, so as you can see, this is how the wings are placed. Now again, we are going to make one more wing here. Again, chain 5. We are going to do this wing here in reverse. So chain 3 and then make 1 double crochet. Okay, again all into the same space here. So 1 double crochet, 3, 2 triple crochets, all into the same chain spaces. Again 5 chains. We started off with a 5 chain here, so we are ending with a 5 chain right here. Okay, so now we have the third wing right here. Now we're going to go for the final wing here. We are going to start off with the chain 5, 5, and we are going to make 4 triple crochets into the same space. And again chain 7 to end your butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. To end the butterfly, you are again going to make 7 chains, like because we started off with 7 chains, we're going to end it with 7 chains again, and that ends our butterfly. Now we're going to continue making our single crochet stitches for the next 21 stitches. Okay, so here we have the butterfly. After the 21st stitch into the 22nd stitch, I'm again going to make another butterfly right here, and I'll meet you back at the end of this row. Okay. So here I am at the end of the row. I have 2 butterflies here. Now I'm going to use this yellow here to make the body of the butterfly. So I'm starting off this row again with a row of single crochet stitches, chain 1 and make single crochet stitches into the first 5 stitches. Okay, now we have to make the body of the butterfly right here. So what we can do is, I'm going to make a front post triple crochet into the double crochet stitch right here. Sorry, into the single crochet stitch that is on the second row. Okay, you can either go into the stitch that is straight under this space here, or you can count 5 stitches and go into this. Okay, like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into this stitch and make 1 double crochet stitch. Okay, now we're going to chain 5, 3, 4, 5, skip 2 and into each of these remaining chains I'm making a slip stitch. Okay, again do the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, so skip 2 and the remaining 3 stitches we are making one slip stitch into each, and again make a double crochet front post stitch into the same space here. Okay, and continue making single crochet stitches into the row behind. Okay, so this kind of completes our butterfly stitch. So now again the next will be a repeat row of these 4 stitches, and you'll be placing the butterfly in between these 2 stitches. That is, instead of starting off with 5, you will start off with 21 stitches and make one butterfly and end the rest with the rest of the single crochet. You can place the butterflies as and how you want. If you're making smaller butterflies, you can have 3 butterflies here and scatter the next row of butterflies on the next row. Do try out this stitch, and if you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section below, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.